tonight is all about Antigua. Caution is Antigua's reggae ambassador, and he was good enough to collaborate with us on an amazing new song and video to promote Antigua and travel to the Caribbean and celebrate the fact that travel is back and Antigua is back, and we are ready to provide you with the most amazing vacations ever.
I'm humbled to see so many people that came out to witness the great unveiling of such an inspirational song, Antigua Me Come From. May this song be forever in your hearts.
One of the things that makes Antigua great is its people. Tonight we've got somebody very special to say a few words, Miss Causion Francis.
In Antigua and Barbuda, we are indeed a paradise for travelers seeking an escape. And we're so much more. A nation of proud, determined people. World beaters who punch well above their weight. Creative and industrious citizens. Motivators. Dreamers who dare to engage in pursuit of those dreams.
From our turquoise sea to our rainforest, from our cricket fields to our universities, from our music to our poets, authors and painters, Antigua shines brightly as a place where the world can experience the true heart, soul, and joy of the Caribbean.
This brings us to another wonderful, wonderful aspect of Antigua, and that's music. We came to Caution probably about 3 months ago now with a simple idea. We need to create the best song and best video that shows what the spirit of Antigua is all about. And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. Caution's going to say a few words, and then we're going to share with everybody the world premiere launch of Antigua Me Come From.
I was born in 108 square miles and went all over this island and saw things that just amazed me over time. I saw things that, well, I couldn't experience anywhere else but in Antigua. I was able to create memories that are just enormous. When Larry spoke to me about this project, it was something that made me feel proud. I want to invite each and every one of you to come to my little island, 108 square miles. Guess what? 365 beaches. When we show you this video, this body of work that we did, we got together with Elite Island Resort. It meant more to me than they can imagine. We're going to do something, it's an impromptu thing to let you know. Simone is my partner in crime. Wouldn't it be nice to be bathing in the sun? Antigua me come from. 365 we have beaches all around. Antigua me come from. Come on down if you want to have some fun. Antigua me come from. Just keep on grooving till we're upside down. Antigua me come from.
Without further ado, Caution's Antigua Me Come From.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boy, yeah, surely will be nice. See the black in the flag that you see. For the people, for the strength, for the unity. See the blue that is blue as the sea. So pure and so clean, so much serenity. Anything that you want, you can find it about ya. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Forget your troubles and come take a load off your shoulder. Tell me, what do you see? Wouldn't it be nice to be bathing in the sun? Antigua me come from. 365 we have beaches all around. Antigua me come from. Come on down if you want to have some fun. Antigua me come from. Let's keep on grooving till we're upside down. Antigua me come
from your shoulders. When your feet touch the ground, feel the energy, feel the richness and the culture that surrounds you. So delicious is the foods and its variety. And if you want to escape, this is the place to be. Oh yes, enjoy the sun and the beach and the sweet cool breeze. Tell me, how do you feel? Wouldn't it be nice to be bathing in the sun? Antigua me come from. 365 we have beaches all around. Antigua me come from. Come on down if you wanna have some fun. Antigua me come from. Let's keep on grooving till we're upside down. Antigua me come from. Oh, hey, wouldn't it be nice to be bathing in the sun? Antigua me come from. 365 we have beaches all around. Antigua me come from. Come on down if you wanna have some fun. Antigua me come from. Let's keep on grooving till we're upside down. Antigua me come from. Oh, yeah. Antigua me come from. To be. Hey.
Our mother-daughter team, who were in our video tonight, Anna Maria and India, you'll see them in the audience. The concept for the video was simple. We wanted to show a mother and daughter discovering the island of Antigua for the first time and show you how exciting it can be to come to the Caribbean, to come to Antigua, to discover something new. And if you've been there before, come on back because there's so much more to discover.
Antigua and Barbuda provides for you that peaceful, tranquil vacation. Come and enjoy our tranquil scenery, our beaches, our people, the culture, such as what was on display this evening by Caution. And I really like the video and the song because it shows the versatility of the destination.
None of this happens without all of the amazing hospitality workers on the island of Antigua and within the country of Antigua and Barbuda. It's also down to a partnership between the Antigua-Barbuda Tourism Authority and hoteliers like us, and more importantly, all of you who come and visit us and sell Antigua and support the destination. And finally, I'd just like to say a huge thank you to our chairman, Mr. Rob Barrett. Without his vision and funding producing all of this tonight, this wouldn't have been possible. So thank you so much on behalf of the entire Elite Island Resorts team. Thank you to Caution and his team and everybody that was involved in this amazing project. Good night, everyone. Thank you.